Hello friends, welcome to the Rewas Gallery. Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year across the world to promote awareness about environment protection and earth conservation. The theme of Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. It gives an opportunity to celebrate our beautiful blue planet and do our best for her protection. Silent Spring by Rachel Carson was the first book that set the stage for society to become environmentally aware and responsible. The idea of Earth Day came from Senator Gaylord Nelson after witnessing the after effect of massive oil spill in Santa Barbara, California in the year 1969, which caused loss of 3,500 seabirds and marine animals like dolphin, elephant seals, and sea lions. On April 22, 1970, Nelson Conservation and Awareness Drive, named National Teach in on the Environment, got support of about 20 million Americans, and soon it became the first official Earth Day. By the end of 1970, the year of the first Earth Day, the Environment Protection Agency (EPA) was created, and the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, and the Endangered Species Act were being passed for environment protection in US. This 51-year-old Earth Day tradition brings together people and communities around the world to tackle modern day environmental problems to protect and conserve environment. It is also known as International Mother Earth Day around the world. We can always contribute by picking up litters, planting trees, saving water, and following 3 R's mantra, that is, reduce, reuse, and recycle, to make our world a happier and a healthier place to live. Let's be a planet hero. Think before we use. Do you know? In its lifetime, one reusable bag can prevent the use of 600 plastic bags. Recycling one can of soda will save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. Shutting down a computer when not in use cuts the energy consumption by 85%. For every mile walked instead of driven, nearly 1 pound of pollution is kept out of air. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So think wisely, act wisely. Happy Earth Day to all of you. Thank you very much.